Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of PCDT Shop Talk. I'm Wesley, a technician here at Porsche Center downtown Toronto. And in today's video, we're going to be going over how to assign individual personalized comfort settings to your vehicle if there are multiple drivers. In other words, if you share your Porsche, for example, with your family members, and each of you has your individual key, you can assign your personal comfort settings to your keys. We're going to be going over all of that, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing worth mentioning is that there are multiple comfort packages that come equipped on Porsches. There's the driver memory package and the comfort memory package. In this video, we'll be going over the latter, as it includes more personalized settings for those of you who have multiple drivers using the same vehicle. To access the personalized settings, starting here at the home screen, we'll scroll down these tabs on the left until we arrive at the Settings tab at the bottom. From this menu, we're going to select the Vehicle Settings option. From here, we'll be able to personalize multiple different settings, including locking settings. These include door unlock, exterior mirror, and comfort entry settings, which can all be adjusted. There are also light and visibility settings, which include the exterior lights and wiper settings. And lastly, climate and heating settings, all of which can be personalized to the individual. Now, before we go over how to manually assign the personalized settings, we'll show you how to activate the auto memory function. If each driver has their own individual key and this function is activated, the selected settings will be saved to the key every time the door is locked. To access the auto memory feature, we need to turn our attention to the instrument cluster. First, we'll navigate to the vehicle page and click the scroll wheel to bring up the vehicle menu. Now, we'll scroll down to Settings and click the scroll wheel again. Now, we'll scroll all the way down to Locking and click it one more time. Now that we're here, we can scroll down to Auto Memory and make sure the box is not checked. Now, to store our settings manually, we need to turn our attention to the controls in the door panel. We need to press the Set button and the Key button within 10 seconds of each other. If done correctly, an acoustic signal lets us know that our settings have been saved. Now that we've gone over how to automatically and manually assign your personalized settings, you're ready to drive in comfort. Look forward to one of our next videos where we'll be going over how to adjust each of those personalized settings. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at the Porsche Center, downtown Toronto.